nature, akin to a grand orchestra, harmonizes the lives of its inhabitants. The woodpecker stands out as a rare and enigmatic soloist, not merely constructing nests in trees, but serving as a guardian that preserves, balances, and copes with the cosmic struggles of the environment. Recognized by their colorful feathers and powerful beaks, these birds possess a special ability to peck through tree barks in search of insects. A powerful and sharp beak. The key lies in their robust skull structure, acting as a protective shield, ensuring their brains remain unharmed during the rapid, repetitive strikes against the tree bark. Utilizing their long, sticky tongues and precise feather tips, woodpeckers then capture and extract insects hidden beneath the tree bark. Furthermore, these birds have evolved a specialized tongue to detect and retrieve their prey efficiently. Woodpeckers showcase an extraordinary engineering feat in the process of nest building. It begins with the selection of a suitable tree, and they use their powerful beaks to drill deep tunnels into the tree bark. The nests are often equipped with egg-shaped chambers inside. Woodpeckers reinforce their nests by expanding them and employing various strategies to protect their homes. This process highlights the adaptability and capabilities of woodpeckers in nature, contributing to maintaining balance in the ecosystem. It cleans and combs its feathers. It has to do this to stay clean. This animal knows many methods to stay clean. Absolutely meticulous bird. During the mating season, woodpeckers may perform behavioral displays for their potential mates. These displays may include using their beaks to make sounds in trees, showcasing nesting holes, and singing specific songs. These behaviors facilitate communication between potential mates. Here, the male bird is trying to mate, but the female bird does not surrender immediately. Male bird dancing to attract attention. This couple seems to like each other. This is their way of kissing. We wish them happiness.